The exclusive Wu-Tang album sold to Martin Shkreli might come with a unique twist. What do RZA, GZA, and Bill Murray have in common? According to a rumored clause in the most expensive album sale in history, they are legally allowed to steal back the $2 million album purchased by drug-peddling douchebag Martin Shkreli. In March 2014, the Wu-Tang Clan announced a new album, Once Upon a Time in Shaolin, of which just one copy would be released. The collector's item was sold to the highest bidder to do whatever they want with it, apart from reselling it. In May, a reported $2 million deal for the album was finalized with none other than Martin Shkreli. This was before the young dirty bastard became America's poster boy for everything wrong with the pharmaceutical industry. Twitter user Rob Wesley posted a picture of an alleged clause in the sale of the Once Upon a Time in Shaolin album. It reads, "The buying party also agrees that at any time during the stipulated 88-year period, the seller may legally plan and attempt to execute one heist or caper to steal back Once Upon a Time in Shaolin, which, if successful, would return all ownership rights to the seller." It goes on to mention, said heist or caper can only be undertaken by current active members of the Wu-Tang Clan and/or actor Bill Murray, with no legal repercussions. Not afraid of a little beef, Shkreli took to Twitter to taunt the rap group. "We're really getting the urge to call Bill Murray," RZA tweeted Friday morning. "I wish you would," Shkreli responded. Shkreli also suggested he'd be interested in other private albums to stroke his ego. What do you think? Is this clause real? Either way, it'd make for an incredible based on a true story movie starring Bill Murray.